to the prime movers, the hosts spearheaded by our municipal mayor, Cesar Soriano, the different officials to make things possible, to all technical officials who will judge, give us the patience, wisdom, and knowledge to select the best to represent our Region 9 of the upcoming Palaro 2025. To all coaches who patiently inspire their gymnast players. To our gymnast players, give them the strength to perform the routine perfectly. Thank you, Lord, for the opportunity to gather us as one family. Bear with us as we go on to our activities starting today until the end.